So here's an example. We are looking for patient population adults, exercise. I've left the comparator open because I want to see, I'm not 100% sure what's out there, and I want to see what the research gives me. If you have a specific comparator, you can add that in. Outcomes will be pain or quality of life. And then I'm interested in the treatment side. Haven't added that. I specifically added randomized controlled trials or clinical practice guidelines into the question, but you'll see SciSpace provided that. So my question is, based on what my patient's needs are, what is the effectiveness of exercise on pain and quality of life in patients with lower back pain? So it has found 460 relevant papers, and it went through 1,750 papers. And then it created a report with 50 highly relevant papers. And here's a nice short summary. And you can imagine, and I've now taken an example which I'm familiar with, and it is an example where there's quite a lot of research out there. But let's say it is something that you're not familiar with, and you really would like to, in between patients, you're seeing this patient tomorrow again, maybe there's a ward round, and you quickly need to go back and to the literature and make sure that you know what you're talking about. This is the ideal way. You get a quick summary, an abstract, an introduction, and then you can have the full report that you can read. And it gives you the references, so you can go and verify if there's something that really strikes your attention. You can go and find the specific studies and go and look at what have they said, or maybe you want to dive a bit deeper. But just by reading this report, you get a very good overview of the specific condition of your patient.